Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy S23, and the method is the same also for Plus and Ultra. So let's do it. So the first way, just go to the top bar and swipe again, and here we have the power off icon, and from here very easy, just tap power off or restart if you want to restart your phone. The second way, you need to push and hold volume down and power button together like this. Keep pushing, and now again select power off or restart to restart your phone. And the easy way to do it, just go to the side key settings, and here where you see press and hold, now it's wake up Bixby. Just select power off menu, and now exit, and now you need to push only the power button like this and select power off, and tap again, and that's all. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.